Hello, good morning students. Today I am teaching you fiber to the fabric. This is my second class. पिछले क्लास में हम क्या पढ़ाए थे उस पर जरा हम चर्चा कर लें. Fiber. We were getting fiber from multiple sources. Synthetic fiber and natural fiber. Fiber we get from the laboratory is synthetic fiber and prepared by the man. That's why it is also known as man-made fiber. But natural fiber, the fiber we obtain from nature. There are two types of natural fiber. One, you get the fiber from plants, that is cotton, jute, linen, and the fiber you get from animal, that is wool, silk. Now, the wool fiber, that is animal fiber, comes under the category of natural fiber. Has got more quality than cotton fiber or jute fiber. I told you previously they have more tensile strength, they can retain the crease, they are durable. So now let's discuss and proceed further. How we get the animal fiber? We are getting from animal. How? Which animal? Sheep, goat, rat, camel. Major production of animal fiber we get from sheep. Now, from how we get sheep? Rearing of sheep. Sheep अर्थात भेड़ को पालना. Who rear it? Shepherd. भेड़ को पालने वाले को हम भेड़ गरेड़िया बोलते हैं. In English it is shepherd. The person who look after the sheep, who graze the sheep, who provide health care to the sheep, is called shepherd. Right? जो भेड़ को चराने जाता है, जो भेड़ को खिलाता है, जो भेड़ का ख्याल रखता है, उसे हम shepherd बोलते हैं. Who is shepherd? The person who look after the sheep, who graze the sheep, who feed the sheep, and who treat the sheep are known as shepherd. Then what is a rearing of sheep? भेड़ पालना क्या होता है? देखिए, rearing of sheep, to look after the sheep by providing them food, shelter and health care. What is the rearing of sheep? To look after the sheep. Rearing of the sheep means looking after the sheep by providing them food, shelter and health care to the sheep are known as rearing of sheep. And I have already discussed the second point, shepherd, the person who look after the sheep. What is sheep? Sheep is an animal having thick coat of hair. It is found in cold region and it is a herbivorous animal. Mainly it's grass. It also consumes pulse, maize, jowar, etc. Sheep is a herbivorous animal. Mainly eats grass. It also consumes pulses, corn, jowar, oil cakes. You know what is oil cake? Khalli, oil cake. We get oil cake from, think of, after taking out the oil from the mustard, after taking out the oil from sunflower seeds, mustard seed, the residual oil-free substance what we get is known as oil cake. Okay, the next. Now the question comes, you have the varieties of sips. Varieties of sips. Some sips are having very good quality. They have more thick coat of hairs. Some may not have. Like in your village, some may have the very good quality, hybrid varieties of cows. They may give 20 liters of milk. Some may give 3 liters of milk. Although they consume same amount of feed. Then what we go? We go for selective breeding. To get the newly born baby sip, to get the newly born sip or the sip having better quality of hair, the sip having more thick hair can produce more wool. So we are using the high grade, better varieties of sheep. The rearing of sheep is better varieties of, better breed of sheep is being reared. Rearing is being done. Then what is selective breeding? Two parents, mother and father of a sheep, two good quality of sheep are being selected. And cross breeding is being done so that the new child, new sheep will have the property of mother and father, both. And then we get the better quality of outcome. See, selective breeding, when two individuals of desirable characteristics are selected as parents, these are then crossed to reproduce new breed of animals having the properties of both the parents. A high yield breed of sheep have been raised. They have thick coat of hairs. They have thick coat of hairs. So we are going to produce a good quality of wool. We want a thick, more quantity of wool, so that we need to go for selective breeding, in which good quality of parents are selected. They are made to reproduce. Cross breeding is done. The new sheep comes, the baby sheep should have the desirable quality or characteristic of mother and father. So we can have the more thick coat of wools. Okay. Next one. Name the Indian breed of sheep. Name the Indian breed of sheep, quality of wool, and the state where it is found. This is the question. You need to write the answer. Name the Indian breed of sheep, like Lama. Other sheep are there. What is the quality of wool and where it is found? This graph I will give you. This answer also I will send you. You write it and read it. So this answer I am going to give you the photo. Second, what is the sharing of fleece of sheep? What is sharing? Sharing क्या? कल मैंने sharing का वीडियो दिखाया था. Sharing means removing the hair. Removing. Sharing means saving. Sharing means it is removing the layer, removing the hair of sheep along with a thin skin is known as shearing. Shearing of sheep is being done in summer, in the summer month. I have shown you the figure how the shearing is being done. Shearing the fleece of the sheep along with them. What do you mean by the fleece? A thick layer of hair is known as fleece. Thick wool, thick layer of hair, a thick layer of hair is known as fleece. The fleece of the sheep along with the thin layer of skin is pleated from the body of the sheep. That is known as shearing. The process of removing the hair from the body of sheep is known as shearing. जैसे हम लोग शेयरिंग करते हैं, शेयरिंग. Why we go for shearing and how? We go for shearing by manual razor and industrial razor. Two methods. Razor, now we are going for hair cutting, same way. We are going for industrial razor and individual, manual. Then, what are the ways shearing is done? Mechanical and manual. There are two ways of shearing is done, mechanical shearing and manual shearing. So children, I have completed it. We will give them the photo of this. Show them this. Name of breed, Lohi. The question number, you will be writing answer of fifth question. Answer is this. Name of the breed, Lohi. Second name, Rampur Busar. Quality of wool, good quality wool. Brown fleece. Where it is found? Rajasthan, Punjab. A second is Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh. Third is Nali. Name of breed is Nali. Quality of wool, carpet wool. And the place, Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab. Fourth is Bakarwal. Name of breed. Quality of wool for woolen shawls. State were found Jammu and Kashmir. Fifth number Marwari. Name of breed is Marwari. Quality of wool, coarse wool, where you are getting from Gujarat. And name of breed again sixth number Patanwadi. Quality of wool for hosiery purpose. And state where it is found, it is in Gujarat. This I have given you, we will send you both. Thank you. Thank you children. For the next class we will meet.